Hallelujah, all people. Who are the birds of New Jerusalem? Birds of New Jerusalem are birds which their feathers covered with 7 colors of rainbow. Are the birds which are 4-winged. Outside wings they are using for flight, and inside wings have carried the southern sounds of music. Their faces are like human faces, shining like a morning star. Their legs and nails are covered with 12 kinds of precious stones. Their mouths are full of thousands of songs. They have mind with knowledge of communicating with different languages. Their shelter are not on trees of New Jerusalem, but their shelter are palace of every king. Their duty and responsibility is to praise and glorify the king with different songs and music. When king sits in his or her high throne, and they are there in single palace of every king of each 12 tribes of New Jerusalem. In entire morning they sing anthem songs of each 12 tribes of New Jerusalem according to the tribe of the king. For example, if the king belonged to the tribe of Judah, they sing anthem song of tribe of Judah with music.